As you can see behind me, my E46 Turbo is no longer staying here. Why? Because I sold it.
Hey yo, what up my dogs?
Yeah, today we are in, as usual, almost.
Yeah, our usual spot.
Yeah, in our spot. And what? As you can see, probably, as you could see in the previous videos,
The E36 is gone because it's shit. E46 is gone and
because it's shit. Okay, and what we have here, obviously, nature doesn't want to have empty hole.
yes. So you bought another E46.
Yeah, because as I said before, I'm E46 guy.
yes. So it's not a turbo.
Yeah,
It is NA.
that was a good choice to
Yes, it
change
was.
turbo E46 for an A turbo.
Yeah.
I had an A turbo because that was soft turbo and it's almost NA, but I changed that for 330i M54B28 NA E46.
So what can you tell us about this beauty?
E46 330i coupe, manual,
Oh, yeah.
gearbox, a lot of power.
Six-speed
Car.
manual.
Yeah, 6-speed
gearbox.
manual
Damn,
gearbox.
you can cruise in this. You can go on a highway.
Okay, we have to be professional,
Yeah.
you know, YouTubers.
Yeah, professional YouTubing. Nice strap,
Belt.
bro. You can.
What was here?
Originally, it was a 4-cylinder,
Yeah.
318i,
Yeah,
and it was swapped as you told, but it was swapped properly
yeah, with whole drivetrain, of course, brakes, and rest of drivetrain like diff, half shafts, and gearbox. And here is a 6-speed gearbox, which was mounted only in 2 years of E46 production. And what? It's good for me because obviously it's very expensive stuff for E46. And what? Car now is complete, but I will change that.
You mean completely stock?
Yeah, completely stock.
Yeah,
Almost, because you know, this strap.
yeah. That's tuning.
And I have a vision in my mind.
I'm afraid of that vision.
Yeah,
You will, if you wanna know the vision of his. Here's a picture of
yeah.
some beautiful white E36 before and after the vision
Okay.
was put into fucking work.
It
So,
will be here.
Yeah.
And
Is it the same vision?
yeah, that's my vision. And this is the great car for doing that.
You poor thing, you don't even know what's gonna be ahead of you.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a proper beater, and instead of the E36 that
Okay,
wasn't too nice.
I should explain why I changed that. As you could see in the previous videos, I have problems with I had problem with my E46 Turbo because it was 362 horsepower precisely. And what? I was in the gap between beater like this, NA beaters, and prospect cars, which they have around 600 or more. And I was in the middle, but I wouldn't like to be there, and I have to change because my E46 was a little bit too expensive for destroying it. And what? I have to buy, I have to change.
Yeah, but you planned for the E36 to be
Yeah,
such car, but
Project Rome.
as you saw in the last video, it didn't turn out well.
We should change the name of this project from Project Rome to Project Rust.
Yeah. What about this one? Does it have rust?
Oh no!
Are we going the same path?
Yeah, it's very healthy. Underneath is very healthy. Everything is good. What else? It's much better than in Project Rome.
It's too beautiful to be true.
When the opportunity came to me, I sold my car because I don't even drive this car because I wasn't ready to go somewhere because that was a grassroots event or something. I was still in the middle.
My car was too ugly for this event.
Yeah, for a stance event, and my car was too good for grassroots Polish event where I don't even talk about how cars are looking there because
Beautifully.
yeah, beautiful.
So, okay, the plans change, as you can see. E36 was gonna be the beater, this one is gonna be a beater, but are you going to have something instead of the turbo car?
No,
No?
it will be enough for me because I would like to take fun from this car.
And you're only gonna have trashed car and nothing nice to drive and
we'll see. As always, I don't even think about buying this E46, but you know, market is
it
fluent.
is what it is.
It is what it is, and we'll see. But what? It would be a great content for if we buy or
yeah. This one's gonna be a great content too if it's all nicely trashed.
yeah. I have to say, I have to say something. I chose an E46 because I have everything to this chassis like E46 and E46. What I have coilovers front, wide-swap front, and it's the same in E36 and E46 because even in E46 I've used E36 knuckle and what rear wishbones I have from E36 or E46 they are the same. I will put here short diff. I will put here handbrake because.
Do you have the diff?
No, not yet. Not yet, but it's easy because they are fitting from X3 E83.
Okay.
Yeah, and there is something like shorter gears. Little bit of care and this car will be ready for
a little bit of care. Yeah, you're gonna take care of that thing.
Yeah. And car will be ready to do something great.
It's too nice of a car to be destroying it like this. You poor thing, you don't even know what you're gonna see
But
in your life.
it will be happy.
Definitely. Hopefully this one will actually be driven, not like the Project Rome,
Yeah.
but you're gonna see it in the next videos, hopefully.
I will put here coilovers with wide-swap front. Probably that was very reliable stuff when I put power steering oil radiator here. And what? I will put better fan for cooling system.
What
On
about
the front?
the intake?
We'll see because I have M50 manifold, B25 manifold, but we'll see how it goes. And what? Front bash bar. I have one for E36, but it's probably after a few fabrication work. It would fit here. And of course everything from the inside.
They're gonna be sold, my boy. You don't even know you're gonna have a new owner. So it's gonna be empty because it's not enough for you that the car was cheap. You're gonna make it even cheaper by selling all
squeezing all the money from.
Let's squeeze the fucking lemon.
And what? I'm also thinking about weight because you know I'm trying.
Yeah.
Okay, I will do something for weight of this car.
You know you just did something for the weight of this car? You ran. How was it?
This shit going in the wrong direction. You probably won't see anything what will happen with this car because it will be quick action. And
Like last time?
after half year.
It's gonna drive soon.
Yeah. I'm thinking about quick action like we will do everything, which is...
And you're gonna see the ready car.
Yeah, that's my plan.
So, See you in a video where you see the car ready.
Let's get it up.
Peace.